In between holidays, the workings of a federal courthouse seem silent. But on any other day, quiet is not the word Violeta Chapin
Chaos.
would choose to use.
I would describe it as chaos, and chaos does not help anyone. And what's frustrating is that we are failing to find a way out of the chaos.
Chapin is an associate dean at CU, a professor, and the director of CU's Immigration Clinic, a program through the law school that provides free legal services for immigrants going through the system. A long and grueling process.
We've had several asylum cases that I've had to cycle through 5, 6, 7 classes of students. They have to have multiple different lawyers over the course of the years because the cases drag on for just that long.
This year, the U.S. hit a new record. 3 million immigration court cases are backlogged. That's according to TRACK, a data research center at Syracuse University, keeping an eye on these numbers for years. In Colorado, the backlog of cases jumped from 21,000 in the 2022 fiscal year to more than 46,000 cases in 2023. So far, in the 2024 fiscal year, the backlog is up to nearly 57,000 cases. And the case requests for Chapin's clinic?
Oh, it's certainly doubled. We just don't have enough resources to process all the people that are coming through the system.
A system Chapin says more students want to fix. She says interest in immigration law has gone up, and she often has a wait list for those interested in joining her clinic. People she hopes that can bring calm to chaos.
We need people who are willing to make decisions that are more helpful than harmful.
Chapin believes one of the solutions could be a public defender program specifically for people going through the immigration process. She also hopes to see the waiting period for a work permit be trimmed down so migrants in the legal process can start working shortly after they arrive. Angeline?
Yeah, and like you said, people are already, looking for work. They need those work permits, but in the meantime, many people are also finding work under the table, even when they don't have that work permit, and that also means that people need it more desperately.
Exactly. I mean, they need to eat right when they arrive. They need water. They need to probably care for some family members, and so they're doing everything they can to care for their family, and sometimes the only way to do that is under the table.
All right, thanks so much, Jaleesa.